Guys, we got a message that our monster trucks are in this abandoned house somewhere. Someone stole them.
So we just recently lost all of our monster trucks. Someone came into our yard at home and stole our monster trucks. And I get a message today saying that we can find them at this abandoned house. So we pulled up and it is overgrown. It's super creepy. And supposedly the doors are open and we're supposed to go in.
And there's uncle's here.
We brought their uncle to help because we were too scared. Stan was too scared by himself. So we're supposed to go and like be on the hunt. It says to look for clues. It says to look for the monster trucks.
That's all? Mom, my door's abandoned. It won't open. We're here. Let's go look. Let's go.
Hold on, wait.
This is an abandoned house. Mom, because
Talk about creepy, huh?
let me have this. So guys, we're here at the haunted house, and my mom's brother is my uncle. So my mom's brother brought the dogs. We brought Nala, one dog. Okay, so some doors are not open, some doors are open. Okay, this is creepy.
What is going on here?
Scary dog. That's Nala.
Whoa.
I think I found one.
Where? I forgot. Oh!
Did you? I think I found one. Right here. Whoa, we got it.
What?
Wait.
Jesus!
Oh, I found another one. Look at this. Which one is this one? We got. Emilia, did you find any? Man, they really are stealing our stuff, huh?
Yeah.
Are there any other ones? Dad, did you find any?
Nope. Dad's amazed by this house.
So the message said we can also find them outside in the creepy grass. Here.
Let's go, Dog.
Are you? What is that?
A chair. So tall.
That's so crazy. We gotta get our monster truck, so we gotta get out. I'm super scared. Look at these dogs. We're outside of this really creepy abandoned house.
Guys, I found one.
Hold on, what did you find?
A monster truck.
Which one is it? It's a test subject we found. You found one. Who is this?
Zombie. Zombie.
I think I'm scared. Are you gonna hold my hand while we go? Who'd you find?
Where they go? Found this one.
I think we found like 10. Oh, you found this one. We got 40. And we got this gravedigger. So far, how many monster trucks did we find? Like 10 so far?
What'd you find, dog?
Like 20.
Did the doggy find anything?
Nala, what'd you find?
I found bones.
Should be perfect to find gravedigger.
Mom, how much for monster truck is it?
Bet you? I think they're in there, but I'm too scared to go there.
Ew.
I'm not looking in here. That's yucky. And I can hear snakes.
Yeah, they're over there. They're fun. I didn't find any.
We found a dog. This is not our dog. Whose dog is that?
Another abandoned dog.
Which one is it?
Zombie. Zombie. See more videos of this abandoned house. Like and subscribe.
All right, I think that's it. I think we got all of the monster trucks. We got Hot Wheels Safari. I think that was it for the day.
Like and subscribe. Should we just guys? See that hill? Yeah, we're going straight to it. We're walking miles and miles. And I reached the destination. Alright. I'm gonna throw in. I don't wanna fall because I got a broken arm. So, broken left arms. So I don't wanna fall. It would hardly be. Yep, at the abandoned house. Again. So I'm making lots of videos. So, look. Actually, I don't want to be up here. So, let's just. Where did this guy go? Zombie apocalypse. And you. Okay, I need one. Ah, they're dying. They're hurt. Zombie and grave digger are gonna go up this hill. Okay, this is gonna be hard. He got stuck. Do you want to push across? Oh, he jumped or something. Oh God. Oh no. He's going everywhere. Oh no. Who's gonna stick to the landing? Dope, yeah. No, he's floating. Subscribe in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You guys subscribed? Are you guys subscribed? If you guys subscribed, you get a free subscriber. Me.